This is a demonstration of flip format.
Good morning and welcome to this week's edition of Nerd TV.
Hi, welcome to this edition of Nerd TV.
In this week's edition, we'll be talking about the Pythagorean triple.
Pythagorean theorem takes its name from the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras, who was born between 580 to 572 BC.
This is a demonstration of flip format.
490 BC. He believed everything was related to maths and numbers were ultimately a reality. Very little is known about Pythagoras, as none of his writings survived.
The Pythagoras theorem, for which Pythagoras is given credit for, states, in a right angle, the square length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs. From shopping to architects to contractors.
This is a demonstration of flip format.
On a daily basis. To explain this in depth, we will break down and evaluate the points of how the Pythagoras theorem are used in these aspects of modern day life.
For instance, in the case of shopping, the Pythagoras triple is appropriate when searching for the right TV size, for example.
By Pythagorean triple, it means a set of positive integers a, b, and c that fits the rule a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The smallest Pythagorean triple is
This is
3,
a demonstration
4, 5.
of
Let's
flip
use this
format.
as an example. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Calculating this becomes 9 plus 16 equals 25, which is true.
Another way to scale them up, example, scale 3, 4, 5 by 2 gives 6, 8, 10, which also fits the formula a squared add b squared equals c squared. 6 squared add 8 squared equals 10 squared, which is equal to 36 add 64 equals 100.
This is a demonstration of flip format.
Theorem takes its name from the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras. He was born between 580 to 572 BC and died between 500 to 490 BC. He believed everything was related to maths and numbers were ultimately reality. For instance, in the case of shopping, the Pythagoras triple is appropriate when searching
This
for the
is
right
a demonstration
TV size.
of
For
flip
example,
format.
let's say Mr. James saw an advertisement of a TV in a newspaper where it mentioned the TV was 16 in height and 14 inches wide. To find out the diagonal length of its screen, all you would need to do is calculate. 16 squared add 14 squared equals 256 add 196 equals c squared. 452
This is a demonstration of flip format.
C. 21 inches approximately equals c.
Architects, carpenters, and contractors use this method on a daily basis. These individuals use special right triangles whose lengths are always integers. The most common triple is the 3, 4, 5, like I said before. Carpenters use this to ensure the structure that they are building is square. If the length of one of the right angles is a multiple of 3, and the length of the second leg is a multiple of 4, then the
This is a demonstration of flip format.
should measure to be a multiple of 5. And surprise to all our fans and viewers out there, we've taken our crew into one of the local high schools to see what top set students think about math. And surprise to all our fans and viewers out there, we've taken our crew into one of the local high schools to see what top set students